Hands Metal 3D Printer, Model M260. The equipment's core components are independently produced and developed, suitable for 3D printing of precision parts in complex conformal waterway molds, prototypes, automotive industries, 3C fields, and more. It can process various materials such as stainless steel, mold steel, cobalt-based alloys, superalloys, titanium alloys, aluminum alloys, and others. The equipment can print various sizes of irregularly shaped products. Innovative airflow design is adopted, the printing surface has uniform wind speed, and the ratio of wind speeds at two locations is controllable, effectively removing smoke and splashes. Equipped with a scanning galvanometer independently developed by Hands, it features high precision and stability. Before printing, users can set model slicing and path preview independently, adopting a submerged printing method. It has self-locking and interlocking functions. The molding protective cover cannot be opened during normal operation. When the hatch is opened, all mechanical and optical components automatically stop working. After printing, it is also equipped with wire cutting, grinding, and sandblasting processes to further improve the accuracy of the final product.